Stop screen recording videos from Facebook and TikTok. There's a much easier way. I'll show you how to save videos using just a link and an app. Watch to the end if you want to know this app.
First, open your Facebook, TikTok, or any platform where the video you want to copy is. Tap the share button and copy the link of that video. Next, open an app called Black Hole. Tap on the Black Hole button. Then it automatically pastes your link there. Allow it to download, and when you see download completed, go to your gallery and you will see your videos there. So let's open the video from the Facebook that we downloaded.
Google just released an
And it is there.
And that's it. The video saves directly to your phone without screen recording everything. No notification shown. Wait, before you leave, some videos may not download if the post is private. Have you used this app before? Comment yes or no below, and save this so you can use it later. And if you want, I can also show more hidden apps creators should know about. No messy cropping, and the quality looks cleaner too. Like and follow, subscribe for more simple phone and creator tips.